Okay, moin, sind Mike. I am an American Luxembourg, and I'm with Jackie Messerich, who is
a Luxembourgish teacher and author.
And today we're going to talk about the Luxembourg language, and specifically that Luxembourg has no future.
That isn't true. I told you that.
You, actually, my Luxembourgish teacher.
That's not true. I would never tell something like that.
Okay, so what you're saying though, what you did say, even though you claim not to have said it, is that Luxembourg has no future tense. As in, next week I am going to Brussels. Is that true?
We actually have a future tense, but we don't use it.
We have a future tense, but we don't use it.
Yes.
Why not?
We don't need it. We just, if you say next week we are going to Brussels, it's already in next week, it's future, so you don't need to use a future tense.
So you would say next Woche.
Next week, give me a Brussels.
Next Woche, give me op Brussels. Next, which would be next week I go to Brussels.
Yeah.
So the next week kind of makes it future.
Yes.
How would you say, how do little kids say, when I grow up, I'm going to be an astronaut? I'm going to be an astronaut.
Yes, the verb to be, you know, it's Sinn, and
Sinn.
you have like a future verb for Sinn, it's gin.
Gin?
So if you say...
Wait, that's what, gin is also to give and to go, right?
No,
sometimes
that's
or some
go
form.
on. Yes, a gin, it's I go, I walk, I come, I get. Yes, that's a lot.
Okay, I'm going to be an astronaut.
Ich bin Astronaut.
Ich bin Astronaut.
Yeah.
Going to the chapel and we're
You don't want me to sing now.
No, go ahead, please. Please sing.
Du gehst an Kapell und du gehst bestört.
Okay, so that song is a future, or talking about the future, that
Yeah.
we're going to get married, we're going to the chapel, and we're going to get married.
Okay, mir gibt bestört.
Mir.
Wir gehen an Kapell und mir gibt bestört.
We go to chapel,
Yes, it's
we what? We get married?
We get married, yes.
Get is what in Luxembourg?
Wir gehen.
Gin? Gin is get.
Yeah.
Gin. Gin is everything.
Gin is everything.
When in doubt, say gin.
Gin.
Okay. Wow.
Wir gehen nicht mehr fertig.
You're not finished. Is that what you just said? That we're not finished?
We are finished. We don't get finished here. We don't
It never
come
ends.
to now. Yes.
Okay. Okay, Luxembourgish has no future?
No. And no end. And
Great. Thank you very much.
no, I don't give you that end.
Okay. Adi, this next car.
No.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Well, it's a good thing I got this helmet on. Otherwise, this would really hurt.